This is another Bakehouse ASMR video. In this video we will show you how to make a large batch of Afghan biscuits. This recipe makes approximately 80 Afghan biscuits. Start by weighing off 750 grams of caster sugar. Weigh, then add 2 kg of butter to the sugar. If you are using a non-commercial mixer, you can cut your butter into smaller pieces. Mix the butter and sugar together until just combined. Avoid overmixing as we don't want a creamy consistency. If you overmix the butter and sugar, this can cause your Afghans to spread much more in the final bake. Weigh off 1.7 kg of flour. Then add 200 grams of cocoa powder to the flour. Add the flour and cocoa to the butter and sugar. Mix until the ingredients are combined. Once the ingredients start to look combined, add 500 grams of cornflakes. Stop the mixer once all the ingredients are combined. Divide the mix into 4 even pieces. Weigh each piece to determine an even weight for each segment. 4 even pieces will be approximately 1200 grams. Take one of the 4 pieces and roll it into a long roll. Do this to each piece. The purpose of rolling the mixture is to make the mixture easier to work with. Now that all your pieces are rolled, take one piece and using a metal scraper, cut the roll into biscuit-sized chunks. You want each piece to be around 70 to 80 grams. Take your 80-gram piece and roll it into a ball using the palms of your hands. Set each ball aside. Using the palm of your hand, flatten or squish the Afghan ball mixture down. Do not squish the biscuit mix too thinly. Bake for around 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Whilst the biscuits are baking, prepare the icing. In this video, the icing is an 8 kg mix. We recommend you make a smaller amount to cater for the biscuits in this recipe. We suggest a 3 kg mix of icing instead. Weigh 3 kg of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Whilst mixing, add approximately 300 grams of water and 200 grams of butter. You should add the water slowly to make sure you get the right consistency of icing. Once the icing is all mixed, add approximately 100 grams of cocoa powder. Dispense the icing into a piping bag and ice each biscuit once they are cooled. For the final touch, place a walnut on top of the icing. Thank you for watching this Bakehouse ASMR video. Give us a like if you liked this video, and don't forget to comment below.